Yeah, drone stuff to
In the easiest quick fix, Luis came by just because he doesn't know how to drive, and he actually messed up his splitter. It was kind of hanging a little bit. Y'all saw it was like a little wobbly there. Since we officially have a headquarters, we can officially just take our time, work on the cars, which is pretty cool. He just came by for that, and it's looking pretty spiffy, I might say. I don't know if you guys seen his car. Y'all remember his car used to be red. I don't know exactly what the color code was for this car, but now he got it wrapped in blue. Or what is this blue called?
Gloss metallic space blue.
Gloss metallic space blue, bunch of mumbo jumbo. But if you check it out, it has that metallic flake to it. Look at that, with the flash right there. Looks pretty good. He was the first one in Texas, or the first Charger in Texas. Oh, in the USA. As soon as this color came out, the rap guy was like, hey, I got this color, you'll be the first one, and he got it taken care of. Right now he is rocking some replica wheels because his Ferrados actually came defective. After a couple of months, they actually started peeling. So right now they're taking care of that. Good thing he had warranty on them. But I mean, other than that, you haven't done much to it, right? Nope, just you got that side skirt, that exhaust back here, and that carbon fiber diffuser, which I actually installed for him a while back. Well, yeah, what plans do you have right now as of lately for it?
Basically, I got the whole DRLs done.
Oh, that's true. Check, just turn them on. You gotta turn them on.
I gotta turn them on, but give me a sec.
All right, we'll show you guys in a bit. Oh, the carbon fiber hood, that's true. He's getting the carbon fiber hood, and then recently, today you won a contest. You know how all these Instagram pages have contests, like those 12 days of Christmas, etc. And he actually won what, like $600-700 worth of, $800 worth of engine dress-up mods, and that's gonna be what, billet?
Yep.
Billet. So it's actually gonna look pretty clean. This guy goes to car shows like once a week, so it'll be pretty cool for him. And he's always embarrassed to lift up his hood, but now he has a reason why to. I mean, maybe one day he'll get that supercharger in there, hear that whine. And this might seem a little fake. I'm gonna show you guys something that happened recently. And did I tell you about it? What happened to my diffuser? No. All right. So hopefully, yeah, there's light outside. So what happened, guys, about a month back, and I've made a video before how my car's gotten vandalized before. And once again, it got vandalized when I was at my parents' house. I got out one day, and actually I was washing the car, and I noticed that I was missing my freaking rear diffuser. All right, I bought that rear diffuser off of Street Arrow, and it's freaking, I think I did tell you. The Street Arrow diffuser that was back here, they just took it. They stole it from me.
I didn't know that, dude.
I thought I had told you. Yeah,
No,
they took the whole freaking diffuser off. I just came out one day and it didn't fall off, guys. It didn't fall off because they stole my diffuser. And then my sister texted me that
I just noticed that, bro.
Oh, it doesn't end there. My sister texted me a picture. She was missing her front splitter. So someone stole her front splitter. And then on my brother's car, his spoiler, since it's 3M, was lifted to about halfway. I feel like I think they wanted to take it off, and they saw it was too hard because it has 3M on there. It was the GT350 track pack spoiler with the wicker bill, and like right now it's flapping. I haven't been able to fix it. I need to go ahead and just re-3M it because it is like flapping on one side. I guess where they tried taking it off, but yeah, this thing did not fall off. It actually just got torn off, and I can tell because they were self-tap screws, and the self-tap screws, like where the holes were, they're just like stripped. Like they're just stripped, like somebody just yanked it off. And it's a $350 diffuser from Street Arrow, and it kind of sucks. It really sucks that they do that crap. It's not the first time they've done vandalism on my car. And then right now, what I noticed as well was that on my, let me see, on the splitter, like I'm missing the screws. Like, check this out. So there's supposed to be a screw on this, like right here. Right here, right? And they're actually on there pretty good. And I think this was just more like a prank because I'm missing the top one up here on this side, and on this side I'm missing the bottom one. Yeah, so I just noticed that today as well. But the diffuser happened about a month ago. I was kind of like pissed off for a while, but that happened. My sister lost her front splitter, and they yanked off my sister's splitter because that whole oil pan cover came, like, it's missing it too. So like, because we had self-tap screws and everything connected to the oil pan, and it's just torn off. It's just completely off, so it looks kind of just bald in the front. And I have a video how we did the front split. It was from eBay. I mean, no big deal. It was like 120, 140 bucks, but I mean, it sucks, you know, someone's still doing that. But now that we're here, we have a full view of the wide body kit, guys. I know last time I showed you guys it was in the garage. Now a full walk around of the wide body, and it doesn't look bad, honestly. I'm pretty, there you go, what, thumbnail? So I just want better fitment on the rear, which is gonna come from better wheels. I have 9.5s all around. The only adjustments I needed a smaller tire in the front, but these rears need they just need a bigger wheel. There's a 9.5s. I need at least like a 10, 10.5, 11. But I mean, it works, and it's not too bad. But I would like them to stick out a little bit more. They're about, maybe if I check, about 1/2 inch to maybe a little bit less, just to get it flush with the rears. I mean, it would have looked sick with the diffuser, but I don't have it, so it kind of sucks that we don't have that. But yeah, I mean, other than that, looking pretty good. Plans that I have, he's getting a carbon fiber hood. I'm not gonna get a carbon fiber hood, but I do planning on getting a new hood for the car soon. I want to get new seats in the front. Those are probably just racing seats. I don't know what brand to go with yet. Carbon fiber steering wheel. And I mean, as of now, that would probably be it until maybe get some bags. And I don't know, man. The bags would be clean, but I need new wheels for those bags too. So it is pricey. It does take a while, guys, but I'm gonna be dedicated.
Johnny was selling his bags, bro. I think he
But it's for the S550. I think it's different, the suspension.
I mean, I don't know. It should be the same.
But I'm dedicated, guys. I'm dedicated. I know I've been on and off for a while, but content. This guy's always going to car show. Then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna tag along. And I mean, I don't know if you guys are too into watching the car show content. If you guys want me to be active, if you guys want me to push out videos, I'll go to the car shows. This thing's gonna be cleaned up now because it can be stored inside. So we have a garage. But yeah, man, just wanted to give you a quick update, and just we were doing a little quick fix for Luis's charger right there. What's next Thursday?
We have there's an event going on. I don't know if you guys, know, Mr. Goddamn
I don't know.
It's a big Mopar guy. He's apparently showing up in Harlingen. They're throwing a meet for Toys for Tots for the children, throwing toys, Christmas gifts in a sense.
Okay.
So it's gonna be pretty packed, pretty intense.
All right, so I mean, there's a car show coming up, and it's actually during Christmas break. We're off, so I should have no excuse to be there, guys. So maybe expect the video coming up for that show right there. But yeah, man, just wanted to bring you guys along for today, just show you what's going on, what's crack-a-lacking. We got our new headquarters. Luis's car's fixed. Mine's in the process still, but the wide body's on there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.